Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet this cardigan, and I'll be using a soft white color of yarn. It's a robin yarn and it's a 50-gram weight yarn, and I'll be using a 4mm hook so that I can complete this cardigan so fast. And also you require a measuring tape. First thing, to make this cardigan, we'll be making the sleeve, then we will make the back panel, and lastly we'll be making the two front panels. So first thing, take the length of your sleeve or the length of your hand to get the measurement that you require to crochet the sleeve. So take that measurement, then after that I'll be guiding you on how to make the sleeve. This is one of my first sleeves, so this is how it looks. So to make this sleeve, I chained 150 stitches. So my arms are a bit longer, so if you have shorter arms you can reduce the number of stitches, and if you have longer arms you can increase the number of stitches. So after chaining the 150 stitches, the first 15 stitches I made single crochets. So these are my first 15 stitches, I made single crochets. Then after that, on the rest of the stitches I placed half double crochets. Then after completing the first row, the second row will be working on the back loops of these stitches. So let me show you the back loops. So these are the back loops of the stitches here. So these are the back loops of the stitches, and that is why you'll be placing the half double crochet. So just place half double crochet on the back loops of the stitches. Then when you reach on this side, you'll be making the 15 single crochets. Then you move up once again and start making the 15 single crochets. Then after making the 15 single crochets, you'll place half double crochets on the rest of the stitches. Also on these single crochets, we'll be placing them on the back loops of the previous stitches. So just repeat single crochet on this lower side of the arm. Then on the upper side of the arm, we'll be placing half double crochets on the back loop of the stitches. Also remember, here we are placing the single crochets on the back loops of the stitches. So repeat that until you achieve the width of your arm. So let me take the measurement of my, I don't know if it's the width or what. So mine is at 12 inches. So mine is at 12 inches, and if you have wider arms, you can increase the number of rows to give you more inches. So that is it while making the sleeve. So after making the first sleeve, repeat this. So repeat this to make the other sleeve. Then after that, I'll be showing you how to join the sleeves. So just attach the yarn on this lower part of the sleeve. So attach your yarn over there. We'll be using this hook to join the sleeve. So align the edges of this sleeve together. So I'll just insert the hook on this side. I'll insert the hook on this stitch, then insert the hook on the other stitch. Then after that, I'll pull through the yarn like that. Then I'll be making a single crochet. So ensure that you insert the hook on this stitch, then again insert the hook on the other stitch. Then after that, pull through the yarn. Then after that, you make a single crochet. So just insert the hook on this stitch, then it's inside. So you will insert the hook on this stitch. Make sure you insert the hook on this stitch, then it goes through the other stitch. After that, pull through the yarn, then make a single crochet. So just repeat this until complete, joining the entire sleeve. Then also repeat this to join the other sleeve, and then after that, I'll be there to guide you on how to make the back part of this cardigan. I've completed joining my sleeves, and this is how they look. You can just try fitting them in to find out if they can fit you well. So mine can fit me well. So we are going to get into the next section, which is making the back panel of this cardigan. To make this cardigan, first thing, determine the height which you want for this cardigan. So for mine, I chained about 250 stitches. I wanted a very long cardigan, so mine it's a bit long, so it's a bit longer, and also I'm taller. So if you are shorter, you can just reduce the number of stitches, and if you are a bit taller than me, you can just increase the number of stitches. And if you want a very long cardigan, you can also increase the number of stitches that you are going to chain. So I've already made my back panel of the cardigan, but I'll be explaining to you on how to make this. So first thing, you take the measurement of the height that you want for the cardigan. Then after that, you determine your waist size. You will determine your hip size. So take the measurement of your hips, then divide them by 2. So my hip size are at 40 inches. Then after dividing them by 2, that is 20 inches. So we'll be crocheting this for 20 inches. So for example, if your hip size is 36 inches, you are going to crochet the back panel of 18 inches. So let's take the measurement of the wideness of this cardigan. So let me stretch it out so that you can take a look. So mine is at 20 inches. So just crochet half your hip size. That will be your back panel. So for crocheting, you just chain the height which you want for the cardigan. For example, for me, I chained to 50 stitches. Then after chaining the 250 stitches, I repeated half double crochets. Then after completing the first row of half double crochets, I just placed half double crochet on the back loops of the previous stitches. So we'll be using the back loops so as to make the ribbed pattern. So just repeat half double crochets on the back loops of the previous stitches until you achieve half your hip size, not your waist size. So just take the measurement of your hip size, then after that divide it by 2. Then chain the length that you want for the cardigan, then repeat rows of half double crochet while placing them on the back loops of the previous stitches. So that is it for making the back panel of this cardigan. So after making the back panel, we'll be making the 2 front panels of this cardigan. So this is my other panel. So this is my one front of oops. After crocheting your back panel, we'll be making 2 sides of the front panel. So this is the first of the front panel. So we are going to take the measurement of this. So mine is at 8 inches. So if we have the same height, or if we have the same hip size, you can use the 8 inches. But if you have bigger hip size, you can increase the number of inches. Or if you have a bigger bust, you can increase the number of inches to 10 inches, because mine is at 8 inches. So make this panel. So for the front panel also, I chained to 50 stitches. Then after that, I repeated placing half double crochet on the back loops of the previous stitches until I achieved 8 inches. So these are the 8 inches that I'm talking about. So these are the 8 inches that I'm talking about. Repeat the same and make the other panel. this ribbing of the cardigan. For ribbing of the cardigan, you just chain 15 stitches. Then after chaining 15 stitches, you place single crochets in each and every stitch. After completing the first row of placing single crochet in each and every stitch, you will repeat other rows by placing single crochets on the back loops of the previous stitches until you achieve a longer rib. So this is according to how long your cardigan is. So mine, it's a bit longer, so if you want a longer one, you just be increasing on this row part. So you'll be increasing from this side. So this is according to how long your cardigan is. So the last thing that you'll be doing is joining the pieces of this cardigan to form a cardigan. So let me show you how we'll be joining them. So this is how you arrange the pieces. Then after that, you join them together. So I'll start by joining the front panel to the back panel on this side. Then after that, I'll take the measurement of the sleeve. So you can just place your stitch mark over here. Then after that, join the pieces using single crochets and using your hook up to this part. So if it's a bit hard for you to join the pieces using the single crochet, you can just use a needle, but I'll be using my hook and single crochets. So you can just place your stitch mark over here. Then after that, you can come to join your sleeve. Then you repeat the same on the other side. So after joining the front panel to the back panel, we'll be joining the ribs. We'll be ribbing this cardigan by joining it on this part using the single crochets and the hook. Also remember we'll be joining the cardigan on this part, or we'll be ribbing the cardigan on this part. So we'll just join it over here using a single crochet or a needle. So repeat that, and that is it for today. Hope you have enjoyed it. You can just comment on the comment section to ask any question. I think this is the simplest tutorial that I have ever made. So bye, see you on my next video.